So what is the next thing you have to do? There are two ways of making. There are two things which you have to see while making the website. One is the designing part, how your website is looking like, and the second part is the functionality in the website. Okay, the designing part of your website is taken care by the appearance, by the theme of the website. Second thing is, when we are talking about the functionality, then in the WordPress website, it is being given, you can add various functionality into your website by using plugins. Okay, for designing part, you have themes. For adding functionality in your website, you have plugins. I hope these two things are clear with everyone. Manisha says 1. Nipun, are you clear with that? For designing part, we require themes. For working on it, for increasing the functionality, we require plugins. Nipun says, I'm seeing a lot of difference in free WordPress page and paid page. Yes, Nipun, you will find, because in free one, you cannot do a lot of things. Like you cannot add functionalities, you cannot upload paid themes, you cannot do much about it. Okay, but in the paid one, you can have a huge things. You have a huge functionality over there. That's very correct, Nipun. Okay, and I have talked about previously the free one and the paid one. Now we are talking about. So let's check it out. Okay, in themes, there are two ways of design or having themes. One is a free theme, another is a paid theme. Okay, you can have either a free theme or a paid theme. Where you will find free themes? You will find free themes on wordpress.org/themes. Okay, this is a site where you can find the free themes, where you can check out more than I can say somewhere near 4 to 5,000 free themes are available. Okay, in popular you have 15, and in featured you have 15, in popular you have 2,200, and in latest you have somewhere near 4,000, I suppose. Okay, so this is the amount of number of themes you have. This is 4,100. Okay, so you can choose free theme out of them. Okay, once you find out a good theme out of these, once you find out the good theme out of all the themes over here, you can download that theme and upload into your WordPress. Like, let me show you one of the best theme in free, because as free things does not give you much value, so I'm giving you the best theme in free. So what you can check it out before downloading even the theme, you have to check out the preview of it. You have to check out the preview of it. Okay, like Zaref one, let me show it to you. It has almost every functionality which a basic, or I would say a modern design website should have. Till the time, if you have any question, you can ask me up. Okay, just look at this one. This is the theme which I have chosen to work on for us. Okay, so this theme is having everything, a top slider, and after that the features option, then we have about us section, then we have our team section, then we have testimonial, then we have our blogging section, and then we have get in touch or form, and then at the end the contact details are us, the footer. So we have everything. So I'm selecting this one in free because that is all available in free, the best thing available in. How to work on